Video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and you are watching my channel that features lifestyle, travel, food, and tech, and also unboxing this new Huawei smartphone. This is the Huawei Nova Y91 from Huawei Philippines. Alright, we're going to feature the Huawei Nova Y91. It is the new smartphone from Huawei. So, alam naman natin na maraming versions of Huawei Nova through the years. At ang masasabi ko lang, this Nova Y91 is one of the best of its kind. Ang Huawei Nova Y series na katulad nito, itong Huawei Nova Y91, ay targeted sa mga talented and creative youngsters na katulad ko, katulad nyo, because if the pricing is very right for its size, tech specs, lahat ng mga features na kinakailangan natin sa ating tech lifestyle ay nandito. Okay, so bago natin i-unbox to, let me discuss to you more of the tech specs of the Huawei Nova Y91. Okay, let's do this. So here are the tech specs of the Huawei Nova Y91. For the display, gumagamit siya ng 6.95 inches LCD FHD display na merong 16.7 million scope colors. At meron siyang 90 Hz refresh rate, which is good, perfect to, lalo na kung you're watching movies, streaming some videos, or for gaming, okay to. At meron siyang 270 Hz touch sampling rate. Okay yan for FPS gaming. Okay to. At meron siyang 2376 by 1080p na resolution sa kanyang screen. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, one of the latest CPU. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng EMUI 13. Feature niya yung kanyang privacy center and security center. The feature works after you downloaded an app. Makakapag-select ka ng mga permission for kung ano yung pinaggamitin ng app, kasi parang matinker mo yung for data privacy, baka ginagamit niya yung mga location mo, for example, your email address mo. So, yung privacy center, security center is one of the most important part of the EMUI 13 software, which will help na for security purposes. Meron siya tinatawag na senior mode. Ibig sabihin nito, it can control 7 modes of zoom in display adjustment to help our old folks viewing better the content on the phone. So, ibig sabihin pwede niyang palakihin yung images or yung kanyang text. They can zoom in para much more better yung paggamit nila ng phone. So, mabuti na lang meron na siyang ganito ngayon, para sa ating mga senior loved one. Perfect na perfect tong Huawei Nova Y91 sa kanila. For the memory, gumagamit siya ng 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. Get to 256, which is maganda yun, mas malaki storage. For the camera specs, kung tayo sa rear camera, yung rear camera niya is a dual rear camera na merong 50 megapixel of high-res camera na may aperture of 1.8. At for the second camera niya, meron siyang 2 megapixel of depth camera na may aperture na 0.24 aperture. That's a dual camera for the rear. It can record up to 1080p at ang kanyang features is meron siyang photo, portrait, pro mode, panorama, aperture, slow-mo, and high-res mode. Mas magandang high-res mode para makuha mo yung full 50 megapixel na high-res camera. At meron siyang LED flash. At it can record na video using the front and rear camera. Continuous siya, pwede kang palipat-lipat. That is good for me, for mga vloggers. Magandang features to. For the front camera, gumagamit siya ng 8 megapixel na may 2.0 aperture. It can video record up to 1080p. Kanyang mga features is meron siyang photo mode and also portrait mode. At it can also record continuous recording using the front and rear camera. Yung pinaka-gusto ko talaga na feature pagdating sa video recording, you can switch camera kahit naka-record ka. You don't need to press stop na. Good job, Huawei. For the battery specs, I mentioned ko na kanina, meron siyang 7,000 milliampere of battery na napakalaking battery. At for the charging, gumagamit siya ng 22.5 watts na Huawei Supercharge. Kailangan gamitin mo yung charging brick para makuha mo yung ganong feature. For other specs naman ng Huawei Nova Y91, ito ay dual nano SIM. Gumagamit siya ng USB Type-C port. Wala siyang 3.5mm ear jack, so gumagamit siya ng Type-C na ear jack. Meron siyang fingerprint sensor. At syempre, meron siya yung iconic starry circle design on the rear camera for aesthetic at futuristic look. Ito yan, yung bilog na yan. Ganda, Meron siyang cinema level sound quality, 300% super volume. Yung test natin mamaya. At dual speaker system. At also, meron siyang yung very reliable na Huawei App Gallery na makakapag-download kayo ng mga top apps like Gmail, YouTube, Maps, at marami pang iba pa. So, with the use of the Gbox app, you can visit yung gboxlab.com para ma-upgrade yung Gbox app. Parang ito yung all the way you can install Google Mobile Services on your Huawei mobile phones. So, ayun. Gbox, tandaan nyo yan. For the body color, available siya in Starry Black at Moonlight Silver. At ang nakuha ko dito is Moonlight Silver. Uy, ang ganda nito. Very stylish. Ito na for the SRP. The Huawei Nova Y91. SRP niya sa Philippines is wow, napakamura. At ang first sale nito is on July 28, 2023. At for sure, pag napanood nyo itong video, magiging available na to sa Philippines. At meron siya kasamang freebie na 1-year VU Premium subscription. So, yan, makakapagnood kayo ng mga video content, mga K-dramas, mga K-pop, mga Asian content, movies, or series, meron dyan sa VU. So, follow nyo lang yung updates sa Huawei Facebook, Instagram, anywhere sa online para makakuha kayo ng mga information about the sale of this product and also kanilang mga freebies. So okay, na-discuss ko na sa inyo yung tech specs ni Huawei Nova Y91. So let's do the good part here sa aking vlog is the unboxing. Okay, let's do this. Unbox na natin to. Alright guys, here's the Huawei Nova Y91 from Huawei Philippines. So, unbox na natin to. Yes. Makita natin yung loob. I'm very excited. Baka ito na yung aking bagong vlogging camera. Kasi I like the style of the Huawei. And this is the unit. Wow. Wow, grabe. Ito yung kanilang, yung pinagmamalaki nilang futuristic design. This is yung kanilang starry circle design feature na, ayan o. Ayan, SIM tray. So, hindi siya na-mention kanina, no, if it's expandable. So, I guess this is not expandable. Check natin mamaya yung SIM tray. Laman nito is the jelly case, which is very, very important kasi pag hindi ka gumamit ng jelly case, pag nahulog, baka masira. So, mas maganda may kayong protection. So, ano pa? So, this is it. The charging brick. So, yung charging brick niya, it's 3 yung kanyang pin. So, kailangan mong kumuha ng adapter para magamit mo to. They have the USB Type-C cable. Alright. So, what we are going to do now is open this at set up na rin din natin para magamit na natin sa ating vlogging lifestyle, tech lifestyle. So here we go. That's the Huawei logo. And this is the EMUI 13. So let's choose English. Get started tayo. So let's click Philippines. Next. Click natin to. And next. Insert SIM card. Wala pa naman tayong SIM card. So I click next. And this is, we were going to connect sa Wi-Fi. So, first, let's set, bago tayo mag-set ng fingerprint tsaka recognition, let's set a password muna. So, it's a 6-digit PIN. So, mag-enroll tayo ng 6-digit PIN. Okay, wait lang. And here we go, na-unlock na to. So, place your finger daw dito daw sa power button na to. So, click natin to. Yan. Tatapat mo lang yung finger mo. And, nag-i-scan na siya ng finger natin. Alright. Facial recognition gets started. And here's my face. Here we go. The Huawei Nova Y91. Super nice. Oh my God. Oh, assistant today. Your smart person. Agree na natin to. At okay, allow. And boom. Okay, may mga information tayo nakano dito. Software update. So, download and install. Ubos ang ating data. Sige, okay lang. So, this is it. The Huawei Nova Y91. Wow, super ganda ng screen niya. Wow, wowee. So, let's go to the app gallery. Skip natin yan. And I'll click Gbox para makapag-install tayo ng Google Apps. So, kailangan pa rin din siya. So, ano to? Ba't lumalabas to? Ayun si Gbox. So let's click install, download now. So antayin natin yan, no? So I guess sana matapos yung download niya. So recommended apps, I can now install YouTube. Ayan, YouTube install. Ayan, back tayo. App gallery. Sa app gallery, I can go here to get Gmail. Gmail na. Ayan, install Gmail. Ayan. At I can install Chrome. Ayan. Google Drive. Google Search. Install natin lahat. So, ano pa ba? Mga importante, Google Maps, Google Calendar, meron na rin din, Google Photos, install natin. Yung one of the Google apps na ginagamit ko palagi. So, alright. So, nag-download siya and very confident naman it will work. Kasi sa ibang Huawei device, nagamit ko na din siya. It's very okay siya. So, yun. For example, YouTube, nag-install na. So, I click here. Okay, allow. I think it will call on the my Google credentials. Log in. Mabilis rin siya. Kasi naka-data ako kaya medyo mabagal-bagal siya ng konti. And here we go. This is the Huawei na may roong YouTube. And I can go to my YouTube channel. Mali pa yung spelling ko. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na siya. Ayan. For example, this is my YouTube. At I can click here. So, okay na. Ay, lakas ng speaker. Grabe. Ay, ang galing. Ang ganda ng speaker niya. Ito, may speaker nga dito. May audio here. At may audio here. So, yung balance ng sound is very perfect. Wow. Ang lakas ng audio niya.
Kasi alam mo, every June, July, it's my birthday. Tapos meron pang toy.
So, gumagana yung gumagana yung YouTube. Close na natin to. So, install na yung software update. So, mamaya na lang. No? So, set up muna natin to. So, let's check out the system. Ayan, install na yung Gmail, G Drive. Okay na, may Google Apps na tayo. No? For gaming, you can, actually, pag nagano ko lang naman dito is Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Ayan, meron siya. Call of Duty Mobile. Tsaka PUBG, ayan, marami din siyang games na rin din. So, let me check the camera. Let's check out the cameras. And here we go. Wala tayong subject dito. Eh, no? Wala akong action figure. So, let's try this box na lang for our subject. So, meron siyang 1x. Oh, so wala siyang wide angle feature. So, bakit wala siyang wide angle? So, sa Huawei Nova Y91, wala siyang wide angle feature. For the video, syempre, wala rin din siyang wide angle feature. Okay. So, pag ganyang style na walang wide angle, you just use the portrait mode. Kasi pag mga portrait mode, maganda eh. You can add some bokeh if you want. Ayan. Oh, may bokeh na. Nag-bokeh naman din siya. Usually, yung ganyan technique ko, di na rin ako gumagamit minsan ng wide. Much more on portrait na ako pa nagpo-photo, which is very dramatic yung dating niya. So, this is the 1x ng photo, and this is the 2x, and this is the 3x ng photo niya. So, kanina pinakita ko, this is the portrait mode. So, pag portrait mode, walang zoom in yan. And there's the night mode. Ayan, night mode may 1x, 2x, 3x din. At aperture mode. Ayan, for the aperture mode, you can set up the aperture priority. Mas lower, mas bokeh siya. Ayan, nakita-kita yung bokeh. Grabe. Oh. Mas grabe yung bokeh ng f21. 0.21. Mas maraming light siyang nakaka-capture. Oops, na-exit tayo. So, let's check out the more. Sa more, they have dual view. Uy, may dual view. Ang galing nito. Wow, this is nice. So, yun lang siya. Ito pala, may pro mode, slow mo, panorama. Yan, high-res. High-res camera to get the 50. Uy, ganda, linaw. Oh. For the 50 megapixel. Tsaka, ang bilis naman din niya. Ang bilis na din niya mag-click. Yun nga lang, wala siyang wide angle. For other users or looking for a wide angle, bili na lang kayo ng filter, diba? For video, for the video, this is the 1x. This is the 1X. Alright, so pwede ka mag-zoom in to 8X. Ayan, pwede ka rin bumalik sa 1X for video. And you can click here para mag-shift siya to the front camera, which is nice. This is good, May front camera, rear camera siya na switching without clicking stop. So, click here, nag-shift na naman siya sa rear. Okay siya for the video, which is nice kasi pa nagba-vlog ako, ganoon ako palagi. Vlog, hi. Tapos, switch ka agad dito habang nagre-record. So, we're going to test it and for the vlogging. So, yun lang. Wala lang siyang wide angle lens. Alright. So, what else? Nag-load na yung Gmail natin. Chrome Photos. Siyempre, pag ganito, you need to log in your Google email address para ma-load mo yan. So, malinaw, meron siyang Google Mobile Services. At you can also install some of the shortcuts to mga apps sa mga games or lifestyle. Ayan. May CapCut ako nakita. CapCut, importante yan. Install natin itong CapCut. Ayan. I-install na siya. So, that's it guys for the Huawei Nova Y91. So, abangan nyo yung launching nito para if you're targeting to get this, especially sa mga youngsters, talented creatives who needs a much more stylish smartphone. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, Huawei Nova Y91.